Come on, we have together.
God, you see where we are going? Shiare. So once we're able to find that place to settle, like even our yellow, like our yellow had a flat tire, and we are being escorted by 2 delegates from Nana Anje, Funemamene, the Amankwa of Akyode Nkwanta. So interesting. See, mountain on top of the mountain. Let's go and see. Hey, like, Kwans, what's up? So of all places, you only like mountains and valleys. Like seriously, see the water. So we are entering the community. So this is Shiare. We can see goats and at least people. And we've seen one house, so it means we are there. And now we are going to climb. So now I'm not sure I can climb with you. So you meet me when I'm on top of the mountains. So we are still climbing. You can see I'm panting like a cat. It's not an easy mountain. See, very stony, and we are going to the top. It's not an easy one, but then let's go. In life, you always have to take adventures, and when you take them, you have something to tell. Those of you who can't come, just see how it's going. You know something? I can't be videotaping and be going with you, so let me just put you off for a while. Then, in fact, actually, it's energetic. Hey, so these guans from the beginning, what I thought about mountains, what I thought did they see in mountains, that they always like mountains, is the question I always ask myself. From Latte to Enumbusu, all of them, they don't have character. They only know mountains. Because even Akpafu, Likpe, all mountains, Buem mountains. Hey, ask myself why. And our father ahead says the mountain is their shield. It protects them from their enemies. But it's too much. How can you get a visitor? How can you get a visitor? Okay, so let's go. I can't videotape again, be talking and be walking. When we get there, I will invite you. So you see this valley? The school kids, that's a school over there. Where you see the small, let me zoom for you to see. So you see the school building. Yeah, so there is a part. They descend from here through this small part over there. They're very energetic. Whilst we are panting, our fathers ahead are not even panting one bit. Meaning that, as for them, they are very strong. Okay. So please, you tell us about the hanging village. Tell us more.
Shiare community is known in the tourist world as the hanging village.
Hanging village.
It's neither on top of the mountain or on the bottom.
Okay.
It's in between.
Oh, okay.
So the tourists they call it the hanging village.
Okay, tourists call it hanging village. And know that Shiare is the paramountcy of Akyode. Okay, this is their paramount seat. So all of them, the traditional capital, this is where they do everything. But actually, it's not easy. Imagine you stayed abroad for years and you are not coming. And you are told they are coming here. You will die on the way.
We have the second highest mountain in Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Known as Mountain Kyabobo.
Oh, okay, Mount Kyabobo.
Yeah. And Kyabobo in our language means round, go round, round, round.
Oh, okay. So please, can you point it out to us?
It's up there.
Okay, it's up there. Second highest peak. Wow. Guys, I have to stop videotaping because now where we are is a steep. If I make a mistake, I'm going down. So I have to put you off. Then when we get there, I put you on. Meet someone coming down the community, meaning we are almost close. See the mountain? We are at Shiare proper, the United States of Shiare. Yes, and wow, like the mount that I just don't know what to say. Like, see how they've, as if a staircase. Anyways, we are going to the Kyabobo-waterfalls, so with our master, and see where we are going to. So just follow us, and whatever happens, we'll update you. But like, you have separated yourself long from us.
Don't take this one. They say this place. Don't show your camera here. Just here the town.
So it's a kind of old, but you can see strong TV reception. So there's electricity throughout the town. So yes, if in case maybe you want to stay here, I think there's electricity, so you can stay. You can get multi TV reception. So it's not that bad. Like, yes, it's an old town, but you can still get good reception. Indeed, now I understand why it's a hanging village, because it's not really on top of the mountain. It's just like at the sideways. And see, this is just the community. That means at the other end there's nothing there. This is just it. And it's, how did Guans do this? Let me ask, how did Guans do this?
You know, in the past they were moving from their assailants. So instead of them fighting, one of the things the Guans hate most is shedding of human blood. So if the assailants are coming, they have to run away and hide in a place where the assailants will not get to see them until they got to this place. So that's why they've in this mountains area, and we have all been born and bred here.
Okay. So that was Guan, they were speed. That's Gikyode. So let's go. So guys, see, we are approaching the waterfalls, but this is just a mini waterfall. You can't see it though, but we'll be stepping down. You can only hear the sounds. And we are still going. We are still at Shiare or Shiare. You have to carry your tank, and it's not an easy trip. And please, when you come to Shiare, you have to try your best to communicate with the elders, and at least you'll be well received. So we are trying to see the small waterfall. Hope you can see it. Let me zoom for you to see. That's a small waterfall, but it's not even what we came in for. You're going to see the better one. So we are still going. So we have to pause you, otherwise I'll fall. So we are here and we are still not done. We are still going. See, it's not an easy trip, but we are making it. Wait. So let's go. You see where they are going. You know, if I say I'll go with you, I'll be videotaping like that, I'll die on the road. So let me put you away so that I can. Or you want to see? Okay, let's go. Okay, it's not easy touring Ghana. Charlie, let's go. So we are climbing down to the waterfalls. So for now I have to be careful. So however way you get it, kindly pardon me, okay? Kindly pardon me because it's not easy. Climbing and descending, it's not easy at all. So you come here all the time?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And you don't suffer?
Oh, you are used to.
You are used to it. Okay. So you are going back.
Let's go.
Guys, these people, only God knows what they eat. Oh. Only Burubuare and Burukun knows what they eat. Hey, it's not an easy thing. So please, if you want to come here, prepare well. Wear shoe. Don't wear something slippery. And then get a vodka bottle, full pack, right from Nkwanta, so that at least when you start screaming, you'll be cooling your heart along the line. Okay? But once I've done it, you cannot do it. So please try and visit this place. Okay. No one should laugh at me for saying Ajay. So we are still going. It's not easy. So I have to put you away, else I'll fall down. Okay, we are almost there. So you can see it. But let's finish it once and for all. So this is a better view of the waterfall. We are still trying to get close. Okay. So please, what's the name of the waterfall? Kyabobo-waterfalls. So these are Kyabobo-waterfalls. Wow. I've suffered. I've really suffered. But still, let's go. You know the funny thing? We've reached, instead of we going down, we're rather going up. So with this one, if you know you don't have kappa, just don't try. Hello guys, we are here. Kyabobo-waterfalls. Shiare Waterfalls. Oh, okay, Shiare. You see, he's already getting to. You see, say hi to my viewers.
Hello.
Say hi to my viewers. Guys, we've really done well. It's not easy. Someone has to.
I want you to get to the front. That's why I want you to stand up. You see the air that is blowing.
Yeah, I tell you. The way I've suffered, please tell them how I suffered before getting here.
Actually, it wasn't easy for brother to climb up here. He really suffered. At the end of the day, he has done it. So let's give him an applause.
Guys, it's not easy. So if I come here prepared, it's not easy at all. See, I just, wow, see the leaves, see the. So even at a point, we had to take off our slippers because if we should wear them, we may end up falling. Because the ground is very slippery. So if I come here, baby, wear shoes, okay? But don't wear slippers. So see the water, it's a stream, very fresh stream. Okay, and a very big forest. So I wonder, are there animals here, like more monkeys and stuff?
Yeah, wild animals.
But when we come, we didn't see any.
No. This is not in the park. So if it were to be in the park, that we maybe too crazy for you come with animals. There's this just a waterfall.
Oh, okay.
So
I think for this part of the forest, there are no animals.
There are animals, at times like monkeys and geckos and whatnot. But they didn't come here around like that.
Oh, okay.
So maybe once in a while you meet some of them.
Oh, okay. So for the Kyabobo National Park, for that one, because we have to go to Dambai.
No, you have to go to Akyode area before you go into the park.
But for here we can't go. That means when I go to Dambai, we can't really go to Kyabobo.
Yeah, because of your time.
Yes.
So the next time you come and you have time,
we go to Kyabobo. Okay.
There is another big waterfall there.
Oh, okay.
You get the time to see that one.
Okay. Yeah.
But that one you have to also go there during the dry season. Because it will be slippery for you to walk.
Okay. 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 So then maybe January, February there we'll schedule that trip.
Yeah.
Okay. Please, your name?
I'm Okra Augustine.
Okra Augustine.
Yes.
So he's Okra Augustine. Please tell us your profession. Maybe someone may like to.
Translator, doing Bible translation from English into my language with my mother tongue, Gikyode.
Okay,
yes.
He is a translator for English to Gikyode. So please, if you need his services, kindly drop it in the description box below, and I'll give you his contacts. Okay, yeah. Any form of translation work, he can do it. Yeah. So guys, we have to go. Otherwise, we'll sleep at Dambai. Yeah. So we have to go. See you at Kwame Danso and Dambai. Okay. So should someone. Okay. So should someone pass on, a very good person, this is how the person is buried here.
Yeah.
A very. Let's go.
See this, they even stay here more than
Okay.
20 years.
So those are jaws of cows, and they are from hunters, and after hunting they have to keep them to show their victory, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see his face. What's your name again?
Bismarck.
Bismarck Ankama.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we are going to town. He's giving me a yeko. So please give me a yeko again, because I really deserve a yeko. Yeah, four na. Nah. Okay, guys, they've seen this yam. So we'll take something small before we leave.
Yeah.
Guys, I think it's done. we are about to say goodbye. We'll meet you at Dambai. Okay, so goodbye to you. We'll meet at Dambai.
Okay.
Descending the mountains. Our long trip is over and we are descending. Oh my God, this has been a very good journey. We had a meeting with the chief priest, but we didn't capture that because it was in the shrine. So we can't capture that. So we're not allowed to capture that. But technically, everything was okay. They were glad with no Ghana better. And yes, technically. Guys, so we are done. So this is our yellow. We are going. And this is our token of appreciation. That's what he's holding, our token of appreciation. So we are going.
Hello.